Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Mutumia utathikagiriria muthuriwe ndagiriire guikara muturire-ini wake na gitumi ni tondu she is unfaithful and ungrateful. Miario ino yario ni Samidoh uria wakindira miario ikoretwo igithie na mbere ati kihiko giake na Karen Nyamu ni kiharaganu. Samidoh for this first time nionekana guiturura maundu maritu akoretwo akiumiriria na maundu erite arume mangiona kiao mari na mitugo ta iyo magatengera ria kamuti tondu ahiki aria mari mitugo ta iyo Samidoh arameta ni ahiki mendete gukoma na athuri angi and they are very ungrateful and full of drama. Samidoh ahithuria ndeto irikitie kuhahura andu na makiria ikamakia andu muno kuona kuringana na maria Karen ekiraga guku nenda-ini megie relationship yao ni maundu monanagia ati relationship iyo ndikire mathina na ni ngemu muno. Itana kuoni uria Samidoh andika itikira gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gwitikira tu go subscribe na kunyitanira na ithue niguo kamukagira ndeto mwaki o hindi ciothe twa post video. Samidoh arikitie kuhahura andu aingi muno guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria thutha wa ndeto iria agikorwo agiposti ndeto iria akorwo agishare atakugweta no arari uhoro wake na akorwo akira arume ati kwina undu arenda kumera about a woman who doesn't listen. Akimera ati gitumi ni tondu mutumia uyu ndagire gukorwo belong in the life of that man. Akiuga a woman who doesn't take correction from you, a woman who doesn't take instruction from you, a woman who doesn't take directions from you is dangerous. She thinks she's doing you a favor by being in a relationship with you. That woman thinks she's better than you and she deserves to be with someone who is better than you, richer than you, more successful than you. Akauga ati that woman is disrespectful, always arguing with you, always creating unnecessary drama, giving you no peace because she wants to prove a point. Akiuga that woman is unfaithful, ungrateful and also disloyal. She will humiliate you, abandon you for another man. Ni ndeto Samidoh agikorwo agishare on his social media pages na agitiga andu aingi makihahukite makigeria gutaura no uyu araria uhoro wake.
Men, a woman who doesn't listen does not belong in your life. I shall explain.